Well, a second case of measles has been confirmed in Columbus, Nebraska. The Platte County Health Department says the new patient is an unvaccinated household member of the first confirmed case. The first child with measles attended Shell Creek Baptist Church in Columbus on Christmas Eve. They were also at the Columbus Hospital's ER early Monday morning. The health department says the child is not vaccinated and recently traveled out of state. Anyone who thinks they may have measles should call a healthcare provider before arriving to get tested. The American Red Cross is helping people